Welcome to your new adventure.
Let us show you all the amazing things about this property.
You ready? Let's go. You're gonna love the vaulted ceilings and stone fireplace.
And with over 1,800 square feet of living space, there is plenty of room for everybody.
Don't forget the basement.
And there's a bonus room that you can use as an office, home gym, or rec room.
In 2022, the solar panels and the new roof was installed.
And the HVAC being done in 2024, this home has major updates already done just for you. With 2.4 acres, there is plenty of room to play, relax, or start your own garden.
And an extra garage for toys like this. This property has everything.
Conveniently located, but giving you tons of privacy. So hurry up and give one of us a call. I'm Amber Clem.
And I'm Amanda Downs.
And we are with LPT Realty.